Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Miss Lubna Khurshid. I am English teacher for class 3. Our book is Broadway Course Book 3. Yes, student. During the lunch break, you see your friend taking something out of a classmate's bag. Nobody else sees this. Later, the teacher tells the class that one of the students has lost some money from her bag. Will you keep quiet? Will you tell the teacher what you saw? Unit number 3. Who should I pray for? Yes, student. Now open your books, page 30. I will read the lesson loudly. Put your finger on the words I read. Now read the story. A man had 2 daughters. The girls grew up and got married. The elder daughter married a potter. The younger one married a gardener. After marriage, each daughter went to live with her husband in his village. Both of them were very happy. One day, the father went to see his daughter. First, he went to his younger daughter, who had married a gardener. The girl was very happy to see her father. He asked her, "How are you, my child?" "We are very happy, father," she said, "but life is difficult. There is no rain. If there is no rain, we will be in trouble. All my husband's plants will dry up. He will have nothing to sell, and then we will have nothing to eat. I hope it will rain soon." The man said to his daughter, "Don't worry, my child. I shall pray for the rains to come soon. I am sure God will listen to my prayers." He left her and went to the next village. His elder daughter lived there with her husband, the potter. She too was very happy to see her father. "How are you, my child?" he asked. "Very well, father," replied the girl. "The sun is shining. It is very hot. People come here every day. They buy pots to keep their water cool. Business is very good. The hot sun helps our pots to dry fast. I hope it doesn't rain. If it rains, our pots won't dry. Also, if it rains, people will not buy pots." The father stayed here for a little while and then left. As he walked back to his village, the poor man did not know what to do. One daughter wants rain, the other doesn't. If it does not rain, my younger daughter will suffer. If it rains, my elder daughter will suffer. What am I to do? Dear student, this is a story of an old man who had 2 daughters. Elder daughter married with a potter. The younger one married a gardener. Both were very happy in their lives. When the father visited to the younger daughter, she asked her father to pray for the rain because rain is necessary for the plants. The old man promised that he will pray for the rain and went to the elder daughter's home. She was also very happy to see her father. She asked her father that, "I hope it doesn't rain and people come here to buy her pots." And when the old man walked back to his village, the poor man didn't know what to do. Here are the meaning of some difficult words. Potter. Potter, a person who makes and sells pot and other things made of clay. A person who makes and sells pots and other things made of clay. Gardener. Gardener, a person who grows plants and trees and sells their fruit and vegetables. A person who grows plants and trees and sells their fruit and vegetables. Here are some difficult words from this unit. You write these words on your copy and learn these words with spelling. Number 1. Elder. Elder. Number 2. Married. Married. Number 3. Potter. Potter. Number 4. Gardener. Gardener. Number 5. Trouble. Trouble. 6. Business. Business. Number 7. Shining. Shining. 8. Village. Village. 9. Replied. Replied. 10. Suffer. Suffer. Learn to read 1. There is some question on page number 32. Question number 1. The younger daughter was not happy to see her father. True or false? Question number 1. The younger daughter was not happy to see her father. True or false? The answer is false. Question number 2. Why was the younger daughter worried? Question number 2. Why was the younger daughter worried? Answer is, the younger daughter was worried because there was no rain. If it did not rain, all their plants would die and they would have nothing to sell. Answer. The younger daughter was worried because there was no rain. If it did not rain, all their plants would die and they would have nothing to sell. Question number 3. How did her father promise to help her? How did her father promise to help her? Answer. Her father promised to pray for the rain. Her father promised to pray for the rain. Question number 4. What did the elder daughter want? What did the elder daughter want? Answer. The elder daughter want dry weather because when it is hot, people buy pots to keep water cool. The elder daughter wanted dry weather because when it is hot, people buy pots to keep water cool. Question number 5. What was the old man's problem? What was the old man's problem? Answer. The old man did not know who to pray for. The younger daughter wanted rain, but the elder daughter did not want rain. The old man did not know who to pray for. The younger daughter wants rain, but the elder daughter did not want rain. Learn to read 2. Imagine that you are the father of the 2 girls. What would you do? Can you think of a solution to the problem? Imagine that you are the father of the 2 girls. What will you do? Can you think of a solution to the problem? I will pray for the rain to come at night, so that rain will help the plants to grow, and in the day the sun would help the pots to dry fast. My dear student, you must read this story 4 to 5 times. Write word meanings, difficult words and question answer on your copy. Learn all these with spelling. Take good care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.